Mastering the Art of Effective Networking. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can significantly impact your personal and professional life. Developing effective networking skills. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned professional, or just looking to expand your social circles, networking is a crucial skill to have. In this video, we'll delve deep into the strategies and techniques that can help you master the art of effective networking. So, let's get started. 1. Why networking matters. To begin, let's understand why networking is so important. Networking is not just about collecting business cards or adding contacts on LinkedIn. It's about building genuine relationships that can lead to opportunities, collaborations, and personal growth. Effective networking can open doors that you didn't even know existed. It's a skill that can enhance your career, help you achieve your goals, and enrich your life. 2. Building a strong personal brand. The first step in effective networking is to work on your personal brand. Your personal brand is what people think and say about you when you're not in the room. It's about your reputation, values, and the image you project. To build a strong personal brand, be authentic, consistent, and clear about your values and goals. People are more likely to connect with you when they understand who you are and what you stand for. 3. Networking goals and objectives. Setting clear networking goals and objectives is crucial. Are you looking to find a mentor, establish partnerships, or simply expand your social circle? Define your goals so that you can focus your networking efforts effectively. Remember, networking is not just about what you can get. It's also about what you can give. Be ready to offer value to your connections. 4. Expanding your network. Now, let's talk about expanding your network. Start by identifying the right events and platforms to meet like-minded individuals. Attend conferences, seminars, workshops, and social gatherings related to your field of interest or industry. Online platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and industry-specific forums can also be great places to connect with people. When you meet someone new, remember that the key to effective networking is not collecting as many contacts as possible, but building meaningful relationships. Focus on quality over quantity. Take the time to get to know people, their interests, and their needs. 5. Effective communication. Effective communication is at the heart of networking. Be a good listener and show genuine interest in what others have to say. Ask open-ended questions that encourage conversation and create a rapport. When sharing about yourself, be concise and highlight your unique strengths and experiences. Don't forget the power of follow-up. After meeting someone, send a personalized message or email to express your gratitude for the connection. Keep the conversation going and look for ways to help or collaborate in the future. 6. Building trust. Building trust is essential for long-lasting networking relationships. Trust is not built overnight. It takes time and consistency. Be reliable and keep your promises. Avoid coming across as overly self-promotional. Instead, focus on helping others and providing value. 7. Networking etiquette. Networking etiquette is often overlooked but critical. Always be respectful and considerate of others' time and boundaries. Avoid bombarding people with requests or selling aggressively. Instead, foster a mutually beneficial relationship that respects the needs and interests of both parties. 8. Overcoming networking challenges. Networking can be intimidating, and many people face challenges when trying to connect with others. Some common obstacles include shyness, fear of rejection, or a lack of confidence. It's essential to acknowledge these challenges and work on overcoming them gradually. Practice, exposure, and seeking mentorship can be effective strategies. 9. Networking in the digital age. In today's digital age, online networking is just as crucial as in-person networking, if not more so. Ensure your online presence is professional and aligns with your personal brand. Engage in online conversations, share valuable content, and participate in relevant groups and discussions. In conclusion, developing effective networking skills is a journey that can transform your personal and professional life. It's about building genuine relationships, expanding your horizons, and creating opportunities. Remember to work on your personal brand, set clear goals, and practice effective communication. Building trust, adhering to networking etiquette, and overcoming challenges are all part of the process. Embrace networking in both physical and digital spaces, and you'll be well on your way to mastering this invaluable skill. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And as always, keep networking and growing. Until next time.